Hi guys, so I'm going to show you my Samurai project I'm working on right now. It's a 87 Suzuki Samurai, my baby here. I've been prepping it. I'm going to do a paint job on it. I'm going to do a camo paint job. So far what I've done is I stripped off all of this decal here. It was all along here, this whole edge here, and I got all that off. You can see pieces of it still around, but now I'm going to sand it, and then we're going to paint it. So I sanded it all down. You had a little orbital sander, and I used 100 grit paper, so it kind of just took off the roughness of it, you know, or took off the smoothness and made it just a little rough, but not bad. So then I got, I taped off the stuff that I don't want green. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the bottom green, and the bumper is kind of a dark green, and then I'll come back and do the camo stuff anyway. So I wasn't really too worried about my overspray on this because it's going to get leaf patterns and everything in there anyway. So that's kind of where we're at right now. I ended up going ahead and doing the inside, just right in here, like inside the door. I'm going to eventually get diamond plating on my door panels and stuff, hopefully. Found the good grass. See, I want to have grass looking on the bottom. Dustin's doing that. He found a good bouquet down the wall there. So.
But the two guys are going to be the most important guys that are going to get you the victory win. One is the Coloco guarding that big
Pretty good, man. Good, looks badass, man. Front, I'm going to highlight that white Sammy there, I think, just to have that. Yeah, I'm happy. It turned out good, man. Now I got to do the inside next, huh? Cool. Well, that's my project. What do you think?